never even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Ot qo'ydi. Endi biz personajni otishga to'g'ri keladi. Ye? Yo, hammaga salom do'stlar. Bugungi yangi videomizga xush kelibsizlar. Bugungi videomizda sizlar bilan Life is Strange o'yinini o'ynab ko'rishga harakat qilamiz. Bu o'yinni juda ham ko'p shaharlarda maqtab yozishgan ekan. Hozir tekshirib ko'ramiz bu o'yin qanchalik shu shaharlarga arziydimi yo'qmi. Xo'p, hamma narsaga ok. Wow. Xullas, shaharlarda shunday shaharlar ham borki, telefonimda kompyuter o'yinlari o'ynagandek bo'ldim degan. Xo'p. Epizodlarni o'ynasa bo'lar ekan. Davay, new game. Siz boshlaymiz. Aytgancha bolalar, videoni tagiga o'tib like bosib, kanalga obuna bo'lib, kommentariyada o'z fikringizni yozib qoldirishni unutmanglar hamda qo'ng'iroqchani yoqib qo'ysanglar, keyingi bundan-da qiziqarli videolarimizni o'tkazib yubormaysizlar. Keyin bolalar, biza 1000 ta obunachiga bitta yetishmayotganda hozir maqsadim 2000 ta obunachi yig'ish hozircha. Shu 2000 ta obunachini yig'aylik. O. Ovozim yaxshi chiqadi degan umiddaman. Xo'p, chaqmoq chaqyapti. Bizni personaj yurib ketyapti. O. Voy. Lekin rostdan ham qiziq o'xshab tuyuladi boshdanoq. Grafika ham normal telefon uchun. Fikrimni aytadigan bo'lsam. To'g'risi oldin bilmagan edim bunaqa o'yinlar borligini. Biz buni green o'ynab yuramiz. Men qayerdaman? Nima bo'lyapti deydi. O ingliz tilidami? Seriozmi? Rus tilida qilish iloji yo'qmi? Men chaqmoqqa tushib qoldim. Men qayerga ketayotgandim va hozir bu yer qayerda? Xullas, ingliz tilida u qadar yaxshi emasman, lekin harakat qilaman. Shoshma. Bu nima edi? Lighthouse. Men umid qilaman u yerda nima bo'lishiga. Drag anywhere qayerdir orqaga qarash uchun qayernidir bos. Men xo'p, nima qilish tushunmayapman. Ha, men ko'rishimiz kerak. Tap to move, virtual pad, joystick. Yurish uchun bosish yoki virtual pad yoki joystick. Xo'p, ikkitasi, joystick yoki virtual pad. Davay joystick. Ikkita qo'ygan joystick bor bu yerda. Xo'p. Virtual padni bossam bo'lar ekan. Xo'p, biz nimaga borishimiz kerak? Lighthouse degani nima? Bu yer nomi nima edi? Lighthouse tepada. Xo'sh. Wow, atmosferani Lighthouse. Voy. Ano, kemalarga film o'shatibdi-ku. Kemalarga yo'l ko'rsatadigan bo'ladi-ku. Mayoq. Voy, esladim. O'sha hill, ya'ni nimani tepasidagi Lighthouse ga borishimiz kerak edi. Qayerda edi u? Bu yoqda ekan-a? Tezroq yurish iloji yo'qmi? Biz personaj qiz bola ekan. Wow, rostdan kompyuterda o'yin o'ynayotganga o'xshayman bor. Prosta holy shit degani, las jinilsin. Wow, nima? Tornadoni enasi-yu. Yo'q. Biz bormoqchi bo'lgan mayoqqa ham rasvos chiqdi, короче. Bola, aktivini qaytarish edi bu Glitchus kanalini bor u. Ishoninglar, shunaqa zo'r o'yinlar tayyorlab qo'yganman. Bunaqa o'yinlarni sizlar ko'rmagansizlar, lekin ishonib o'yinlar rosa yoqadi. Mana shunga o'xshagan telefonda ham shunaqa o'yinlar borligini, masalan, kimlardir bilgan yoki bilmagan. Masalan, men bilmasdim. Endi shunaqa o'yinlarni juda ko'p izlab topyapman. Va zagruskasi rosa sekin degan bor. O'yin offline o'ynaladi. Internet shart emas. Wow.
That was so surreal.
Bu xuddi hammasi haqiqiydek edi.
But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay.
Men sinfdaman, hammasi yaxshi, men yaxshiman.
To shadow.
Adashib ketsa kulib o'tirmanglar. Ingliz tilini u qadar zo'r bilmasam ham normal bu.
Can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep. And
Buni shunda biz personaj g'alati deydi oxirgi so'zim uchun.
Arbus?
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Shunda biz personaj uxlab qolgan sinfda.
You feel like totally haunted
To'xtay
by
olasizmi?
all sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And
Uzr, tarjima qilmayman, chunki men atrofni o'rganish bilan ovoraman.
yourself. Seriously though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
Nima bu?
And any one of you could do that to me.
Look.
Oy.
This does not bode well.
Xo'p, nimalar bor bu yerda? Pencil case bor, kamera bor, hamda bizning rasm bor ekan. Take selfie. Hozir dars paytida selfie qilsa bo'lar.
Jump right in with an answer. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word
Shunda bizning
for
personaj ismi Max, to'g'rimi?
as a gift.
Xo'p.
As you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the year
Brat
1800.
gaplarni o'tkazib olsa bo'lmaydi, tushunmayapman bari.
First to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that
Uzr, vaqti tushunmayapman.
has been a vital aspect of art.
Menimcha dars haqida nimadir aytyapti-da, fotograf.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Men bilmayman. Deyishim mumkin ekan. I did know. Yo'q, men bilaman degan. I did know. You're asking me? Qaysi biri? Ikkitadan bitta bu
I
mayli.
did know, but I
Men bilardim, lekin
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror.
aqlli qilma,
Stuck in the retro zone.
Oy.
Very good, Victoria.
Victoria
The daguerre
kellingiz ana.
process brought out fine
Давай
details in
журнал.
faces, making them extremely popular for the
O'qisak
age.
bo'larkan.
if anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
What the fuck? O'tkazib yubor buni. Buni o'tkazib bo'larkan. Tak, biz Max, Jefferson, Kate, Victoria. Epizod 1. Uzr bilan o'qib chiqib
You can find out all about him in your textbook or even online.
voy nihoyat chiqish bo'ldi. Nimadir epizodga o'tamiz deb o'ylayotgandim.
Contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Yuhu, yana nima qilamiz endi? Nimadir epizod ko'targan-ku. Xo'p, bizda nima yerda nima bor ekan?
Victoria doesn't waste a second. I should have known. I should have better equipment than Blackwell.
Bak. Xullas. Marketing deydi. Salpa tushunaman ingliz tilini.
I just worked so hard in the shop, and I'm sure
Eh,
people
eh, eh.
would like to be
Mana bu ikkalasi nima qilyapti? Victoria?
everyday heroes isn't
Ustoz, nima qilyapsan?
and I want to represent Blackwell.
Mayli bilgan o'qiylaringni. Uzr. Kimdir oila davrasida ko'rish maslahat bermayman.
Man, he even has the best.
Menga o'xshagan nimadir bolalar bo'lsa mayli ko'rishinglar mumkin. Oila davrasida ko'rmaylar.
Centuries on this.
Bolalar ham mayli chiqib ketaveringlar.
I see. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about.
Va ishingizni qilib turavering, mana turibdi-ku gaplashib.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do I have to? I didn't have any time.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right?
Bla. She's a perfect. Voy, qo'shiq zo'r aytding deb menga ham nima berib yuborsa, avtorskiy.
Now, all you need is the courage to
Bo'ldi, ovozingizni o'chiring. Men tushunmayman ingliz tilida. Juda ingliz tilida g'alati gaplar aytyapti. Tarjima qilishga ham qo'limdan kelmaydi, sinf tark etdi. Shitto, mana bu qizga nima bo'lib to'xtachi? Voy, vaqt cho'zilib ketadi, davozi bor-ku, mayli boraychi. Kate, ishlaring yaxshimi? Qaytishqancha. Uy.
Hi, Kate.
Salom Kate. Oh, salom Max. Yo'q. Sen bugun qanaqadir sokinsan bugun.
You seem quiet today.
Just thinking too much.
Victoria deb nima dedi?
Victoria has already won the contest, as usual.
She's got nothing on you, Max. Well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too. Talk to you later.
Keyinroq gaplashamiz dedi. Sure. Mayli, ko'ngli ko'tarmoqchi edik. Battar bir. Sizlar nimadir boshlayapsizlar-da, ikkalanglar borib. Ketdinglar. Qanday qilib cho'pga yedi borib?
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to.
Welcome to the real world.
Haqiqiy dunyoga xush kelibsan deydi.
Send you a special picture.
Voy, ama parichkan bu. Ya'ni to'ti giymani bola. Hozir o'shani tekshirib ko'raman.
So shy. I need a serious time out in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy.
Endi boshlanyapti o'yin. Afterski. Xo'p, real hayotda ozgina pauza bo'ldi, lekin o'yinda pauza, videoda pauza bo'lgan bilmaydi.
Me here.
Shuni o'tib ketadi. Bu yerda hamma huquqni ko'rinadi dedim. Tak, cho'milish xonasiga borib, yuzimizni nimadir qilar ekanmiz, lekin musiqa shuni yoqmayapti borib. Yoqishsiz. Mualliflik huquqi beradi bu.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see
Yaxshi.
me around, except for me.
Mana bu yerda hech kim, mana nima bir bola. O graffiti. Beach. Poster. Hop, poster qani? Ha, просто nima mikroblar haqida. Lekin mana bu Illuminati belgisi. I hate Victoria. Chase. Buni bosdik to'g'ri.
I remember when somebody pumped the alarm last month.
Okay, bosilmasa
I
bizga
took a
qiziq yo'q.
science class for that quiz.
Wow. Wow, o'ynada aksimiz ko'rinarkan. Qo'l. Bizalo.
The universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream.
Wow, telefondagi o'yin uchun bu ancha katta baho. Bu o'yin juda ham menga yoqyapti. Syujet ham qiziq o'xshayapti-da. Syujet, tilim g'alati kelishi bor. Kirch yuzimizni yuvarkanmiz. Bizga o'yin boshida bir g'alati narsani ko'rsatdi.
Just relax.
O'yin nomi ham
Stop yourself.
nima edi?
You have the gift.
Life is strange, ya'ni hayot g'alati deganimi? Shunaqa.
When a door closes,
Kapalak.
the window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Butterfly deb nima? Xo'p. Hop. Stop. Qizlar bilan bolalar hojatxonasi alohida bo'lmaydimi?
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just
Stressga berilma, sen yaxshisan, do'stim.
don't be scared. You
Qo'rqma.
own the school. I want it. I can
Sen
put it up.
maktabni egasisan.
Boss,
Bir nimadir dedi-da. Bu bola
what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here.
I bet your respectable
Qo'y,
family
qo'y.
would be out if I
Agar
found out.
ruscha bo'lganda sizlarga
Then I can see the
qo'ldan kelgancha tarjima qilib, rus tilini ingliz tilidan ko'ra yaxshiroq bilaman-da.
Bitch,
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
you don't know who the fuck I am.
Yeah.
Who I'm messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down.
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of
Bizni
people
personaj
telling me
ko'rib
what
qoladimi shunda mana bu ikkalasini
Hella more trouble for
qilayotgancha.
drugs.
to do. Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Ot qo'ydi. Endi biz personajni ham otishga to'g'ri keladi.
Whoa.
Yeah?
What the fuck? How can that be?
Yet.
I was in the bathroom.
Men yuvinish olsaydim-ku.
Shot that poor
U
girl.
o'sha qizga otgandi.
Hand, and then I was back here.
Men bu yerda paydo bo'ldim.
These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow.
To'xta, bu odam boyaga aytgan gaplarni aytyapti.
Child again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now, can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot believe
who
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Can I actually reverse time?
Men o'tmishga qayta olamanmi deydi. O,
Because of her images of hopeless faces.
I did it. I actually did it.
wow.
Photographer who perfectly
Human
captured
time machine.
Qarorchi biz personajda qobiliyat borligi ma'lum bo'lyapti.
Anybody?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria.
Xuddi boyagilar.
Jarvis.
Keep it together, Max.
Hopeless faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad men.
Tegmasak-chi kameraga, boya tushib olgan.
Question.
He was tortured, right?
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Keep that to yourself. Seriously though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. And
Brat, tezroq darsingizni tugating, qachon chiqish bo'ladi?
isn't that too easy? Too obvious? What if Arbus chose to capture people at the height of their beauty or innocence? She had a brilliant eye, so she could have taken another approach.
I have to admit, I'm not a big fan of her work. I prefer Robert Frank.
Me too, Victoria.
Men ham Victoria. Bilgan joyim tarjima qilib, yo'q, tarjima qilmay ketyapman.
About the economic conditions of the era.
Wow.
Be in the struggle. You don't have beauty without a beat. Which
Lesbian.
Frank was Kara West's
Ooh.
photographic muse. And both were the great
Sinfda qanday bolalar bor, ey?
1950s. Well,
Men personaj qiz bola qani bir gaplashishga normali bola bormikan bu yerda?
and if you haven't, shame, shame.
O, qoravoy.
Urban solitude of the
Semiz.
poet. You dig?
Stop.
Now, contrast
Butun sinfga bor yo'q, ikkitagina bolam butun sinfda.
photographs.
O, Ab Jefferson ustozdorku to'g'rimi? Right.
Famous self-portraits,
Xullas,
famous-
fikringiz boshqaga aylanib ketmam, tezroq gapirsa.
You pesky kids love so much. The selfie. And it's a great tradition, and I wholeheartedly
Hozir shuni kamerani tushirib olishni kutishyapti bular, to'g'rimi?
or selfie expression. Sorry.
Ol selfie'ni tezroq
So
zerikib
if
ketdim,
anyone
to'g'risini aytadigan
wants to
bo'lsam.
claim the portrait is modern narcissism, they could go back hundreds of years to I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not dreaming
As
this.
you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was
can
not
go
the
back
first
in
to
time.
use for selfie
Xullas biz personaj o'tmishga qayta olar ekanda.
The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portrait
Demak, men uni
has always been a vital
qutqara olaman
part of
deydi.
photography for
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
I'm
Oh.
sorry. I feel sick.
Menda og'riq
Can I be
bor.
excused?
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody here who
Shit.
knows their
Jefferson will
Shunaqa ham bo'ladi. O'quvchi mana masalan, mana menda og'riq bor desa, o'quvchi ochiq kelaver deyish kerak-da.
Style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone.
Yo, lekin aldayapti. Yo, o'qituvchi haq berdi.
What if I rewind again?
Ya,
I give him the right answer.
ya aqlli bo'lgansan.
making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype on people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s.
Короче, biz og'riq bor degan joydan qayt. O'tmas. O't, don vaqtim bor.
The daguerrean
Ishlatish bilmayapman, bormi?
brought out fine detail on people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The
Ozgina
first
qo'limdan
American daguerreotype-
chiqish. Voy,
The daguerrean process brought out fine detail on people's faces, making them extremely popular from
voy, yana boya gapni qaytarib aytyapti boru, уже yuzib.
There's only one way around this.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Boya I feel sick
I
yana.
really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class.
Yeah, it's okay.
The daguerrean process brought out... Now, Max, since you've captured our interest
Ah,
in
o'zi qaytargan.
the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Hop, mana ikkasini ishlatib ko'rdik, endi uchinchisi.
Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around
Ha, to'g'ri.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work.
Yaxshi ish, Max.
The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more.
Umuman olganda bu gapni o'qituvchisi aytdi. Menimcha o'qituvchisi aytgan gapini o'sha kelajakda eslab qolib, yana o'qituvchiga qaytarib aytib berdi.
Submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the
Ha, sekinroq gapiring, o'zbek tilida ham tez gapirish.
career in photography.
What the fuck? Qanday buni tarjima qilish mumkin? Men tarjima qilmayman masalan. Sal sekinroq qilib nima qilganda ham
Yes, Max. I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming.
sen tushlamassan.
Time to be an everyday hero.
Yes, Victoria, you still have.
Nima
Nice,
qilish?
Miss Caulfield. Don't even.
Ha, zo'r,
until
ko'rib
we
turibsiz.
talk about your entry. I'd never let one of photography's future stars of.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'd have one.
Given your selfie outfit, I'm sure you must have.
Va yana o'tmishga qaytarsa hozir.
Pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens.
Hozir qaracha aytyapti John Lennon bir marta ayo once
Don't let me stop.
biz John nima aytganidek sen bu spiral. O spiral. Shoshmanglar, nima bu yurmayapti. Okey, bo'ldimi? Shu maqsad shuni ko'rsat.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even.
Voy, agar
Talk about your entry. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid.
Hop. Mana
On top of it,
boyagi John Lennon aytganidek,
life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the
sen bugun olovsan Max deydi.
working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Le, zo'rmanmi ustoz? Aqlliligim shuning uchun. Любойga javob. Sinfda Любойdan aqlliman men.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom.
Ular vaqtida yetib borishim kerak edi. O, boy yugura oladigan qobiliyatingiz yo'q edi-ku. Az qaysi bitta so'tak biz yo'limizni to'ssa kerak. Nima? To'xta, boy woman. Mana shu woman deb yozilgan.
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face,
Men yuzimni yuvdim.
shredded my photo,
Men rasmni yirtdim, undan keyin
and I took a photo.
men kapalakni rasmga oldim va
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around
endi uni qanaqa qutqaramiz?
What are you
Chut,
doing?
подумай, bro.
Come on, put that thing down.
with. What to do? I'm so
I need a hammer to break it open.
control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even.
Bor ekan-ku.
Would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let
Oti
this
bo'ldi deb,
happen. If I can reverse time again,
oti bo'ldi-ku.
I better rewind right now.
Ever even miss your punk ass? Would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Oti bo'ldi. Qo'limizda bolg'a turibdi ekanman, bilmagan edim.
Ever tell me what to do? I'm so sick of people trying to control me. No way.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Me again, freak!
Oh no.
Another shitty day.
Boshqa jin urgan kundi.
not happen. This cannot be real.
Bu bo'lishi mumkin emas.
I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr.
Aqirma.
Johnson. The situation is under control.
Shit,
There's no
brat
emergency.
bekor ko'rsatishmaydi.
Leave Miss Caulfield alone and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Bolalar bunaqa o'yinlar bor, montaj qilsam bor. Fushsha nimada? Men endi borib brat to'p qo'yishimiz kerakmi? Siz bor suvga ayting.
Hold on, Max. Come back here.
Voy, isqa telefonda o'tib ketganda bu harbi.
You look a little
Bu brat aniga o'xshargan bor uni.
I'm
Dexter deb brat bor edi. Ismi bilmayman o'shani, men bor.
shooting pinballs is
Qaraydi, qora o'shanga o'xshab ketargan. Mo'ylov yo'lgan.
always be upfront with me, Max.
Yo'q, uncha o'xshamas ekan.
Done something wrong. Is that it? Well,
Nima
Max,
bola bizni personaj bu maktabda mashhurmi deyman-da. Natanga qaytish, hide the trap. Natanga qaytib
I just got
o'tdim.
sick in class. Female trouble.
except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's
Just tell
class.
me what you
Короче,
you can trust me.
Nathan deb Nathan bo'ladi. Qanaqa bo'ladi ingliz tilida? Ular uchun
It happens, you know.
There's that teen toot again.
bu ham 1 gigabayt shunaqa ekan.
Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3
Nima arziydi menimcha 1 gigabaytli
I
o'yinga.
think your parents will approve when they find out.
O'zimda ikkita variant bor edi. Yo, yuruvchi murdalar The Walking Dead o'tkazmoqchi bo'ldim, lekin u ancha pashti 2 gigabayt edi.
He does not buy that at all.
Kapalang paydo bo'lib
I
qoldi.
may have
2 gigabayt edi
just
pashti.
scholarship down the toilet.
O'shaning uchun uni o'tkazgim kelmadi. Keyin
Could rewind it back and tell him the truth.
keyin shu o'yin 1 gigabaytdan solishtirib ekan, shunga shuni o'tkazib ko'rdim. Agar bu qotmasa, keyin yuruvchi murdalarni ham o'tkazaman The Walking Deadni. Absolutni uni ham o'ynab ko'ramiz. Просто qo'llab turinglar, like bosib, и всё. U yana chiqadi. Shuni o'yla, bunaqa videolar boshqa kanallarda ko'rmaysizlar, bu aniq. Menimcha o'sha telefonda let's play qiladigan odamlar ham qolmagan. Xo'p, nihoyat bizga ochiq dunyoni ko'rsatishyapti. Shuncha payt faqat maktab, keyin bir boshida nima edi? Blackwell Academy. Yuhu. Hop, bizga endi nima bermaysizlarmi? Nima qilishim kerak?
Rachel Amber. She looks so hopeful and pretty. I
Rachich.
wonder what happened to her.
O'lib ketmaydimi bizga nima? O'tirmasak bo'lar ekan bu yoqqa. Qarasak bo'lar ekan.
This is a great image. All those rippling green coins. I hope everybody. I better read Warren's text before he
Justin.
blows my phone up. Nope, I don't want to go there.
Nima?
I don't want to go that way.
Nimaga ketmaysan? Ey, ket, uyingga bor. Hello. Sorry. Hech qanday. Hop, ketmasang demak. Biz bu yoqdan chiqqan bo'lsak, Demak, bu videoni bugun shu yerda yakunlamoqchiman. Bu videoning davomi chiqish-chiqmasligi sizlarga bog'liq. Videoga like bosib, kanalga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar va kommentariyada bu o'yin haqida o'z fikrlaringizni yozib qoldiringlar.